Hello students, I your teacher Mrs. Batul Sabuwala is going to continue with the civics chapter number 3, the Union Executive. We have already seen about the Union government and the President. Now we are going to see about the Prime Minister. Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The President is the constitutional head. However, in reality, his powers are nominal, and the Prime Minister, along with the Council of Ministers, is responsible for the administration. We will now see the role and function of the Prime Minister. The party which attains a majority in election nominates their leader as the Prime Minister. The Council of Ministers is then formed of trustworthy colleagues from within the parties. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers must be members of the Parliament. In case if they are not the member, they require to get elected to the Parliament within 6 months of their appointment. The government in reality is run by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. This means that the real executive power are vested in the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. Function of the Prime Minister. The foremost task of the Prime Minister is to form his Council of Ministers. While doing this, the Prime Minister gives priority to trustworthy colleagues on whom he trusts and consider them and take part in their administrative experience, government skill, efficiency and technical expertise. After deciding upon the members of the Council of Ministers, the Prime Minister allocates portfolios to them. They give them their task. Third, the Prime Minister leads the Council of Ministers. The Prime Minister chairs all the meetings of the Council of Ministers. Fourth, after allocation of portfolios, the Prime Minister has to maintain coordination in the working of their departments, facilitate cooperation amongst the departments, supervise the working of these departments in order to maintain efficacy and efficiency, etc. Fifth, the Prime Minister also has various other responsibilities, such as to raise the image of the country in the international arena and working towards achieving a favorable opinion globally, to develop trust among the people and to provide strong support to people who are victims of any disaster, etc. So students, we have seen that, and to provide strong support to people who are victims of any disaster. So students, we have seen that though the Prime Minister is the head, but actually who does the working of the constitution or working and the executive part, it is done by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. Now the Prime Minister, we give the votings. Now among that votings, who get the majority in the whichever party gets the majority, that party forms the government. Then that among those members who we have elected them and the government, they select the Prime Minister. We direct do not select the Prime Minister. It is that the representatives which are they all select the Prime Minister of the country. The main work of the Prime Minister is to choose the Council of Ministers and form the Council of Ministers. Now suppose and they have to be the member of the Parliament. If suppose they are not the member of the Parliament, then within the period of 6 months they have to be the member of the Parliament. And then it is that the functions of the Prime Minister, the main function of the Prime Minister is forming the Council of Ministers. Now in that, when they are selecting the members should be trustworthy and they should have the experience of administrative, governance skill, efficiency and technical expertise. And suppose this Council of Minister decision is being taken, now we have already elected the Council of Ministers. Now the Prime Minister allows them portfolios. They give them their work, that what work they have to do. then the Prime Minister have to lead the Council of Ministers, means are they doing the work properly or not. Then the meetings with the Council of Ministers is taken on by the Prime Ministers. Now whichever the portfolios is allotted to the particular Council of Ministers, are they doing that properly? Are they coordinating with one another, with the different departments? मैम there is not only one department, there are many different departments. तो हर एक डिपार्टमेंट के जो मेंबर्स है वो एक दूसरे के साथ कॉपरेट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. मतलब जो काम है, जो उनको काम दिया गया है, वॉट एवर द वर्क इज़ बीन गिवन टू देम, वो सही से हो रहा है कि नहीं, उसको सुपरवाइज़ करना कि डिपार्टमेंट सही से चल रहा है कि नहीं, एफिशिएंसी से चल रहा है कि नहीं. ऑल दिस थिंग इज़ टू बी लुक आउट बाय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. सिर्फ प्राइम मिनिस्टर का यही वर्क नहीं होता कि काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स को सुपरवाइज़ करो, उनको काम दो और उनको उनका काम देखो. बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो हैज़ द ड्यूटी कि उनको एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी जाती है कि अपनी कंट्री की इमेज जो इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स में है उनको उनसे बढ़ाएं, इंटरनेशनल एरिना में उनको एक अच्छी पोजीशन पे अपनी कंट्री को लाए. एंड इन दिस थिंग दे हैव टू डेवलप ट्रस्ट अमंग द पीपल, मीन्स लोग भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर और उसके काम से खुश होने चाहिए. एंड इफ सपोज कोई भी पर्सन या कोई भी पीपल, कोई भी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो हैं वो अगर कोई डिज़ास्टर में, कोई भी कैलामिटीज़ या कोई भी डिज़ास्टर के शिकार हो तो उनको वो प्रॉब्लम से निकालना वो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर का काम है. फंक्शन ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. In the parliamentary form of government, the Council of Ministers take initiative in the process of law making. वो लोग law making के इसमें पार्ट लेते हैं. The scheme, the policy, the plans are drafted and discussed and then introduced in the House. The Council of Ministers discusses important question before making a decision. वो लोग discuss करते हैं and then they come. Education, agriculture, industry, health, foreign relation, among others, as the subjects which the Council of Ministers has to decide specific policies or direction of work. The Parliament needs to be taken into confidence about the policy decision taken by the government. Therefore, the ministers of respective department lay their policy plans in the House to bring about a discussion on it. Third, implementation of policy is the foremost responsibility of the Council of Ministers. Once the Parliament approves the law, the Council of Ministers implements them. Now, Council of Ministers का काम क्या है कि जो भी वो लोग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे टेक पार्ट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ मेकिंग. अगर लॉ बन चुका है ओके तो उनको किस तरीके से वो लोग एक्सरसाइज करेंगे या किस तरीके से वो लोग इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. नाउ देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, जैसे एजुकेशन है, एग्रीकल्चर है, इंडस्ट्री है, हेल्थ है, फॉरेन रिलेशन है और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. उनको किस तरीके से दे आर गोइंग टू वर्क, कौन से डायरेक्शन में वो लोग वर्क करने वाले, इसके लिए वो लोग एक पॉलिसीज़ बनाते हैं. जैसे हमें कोई अगर काम करना है तो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल है, जैसे हमें एक डिश बनानी है तो डिश बनाने के लिए हमें कौन कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए, कितनी मात्रा में चाहिए, किस तरीके से उसको बनाना है, ऑल दिस थिंग वी टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन एंड देन वी स्टार्ट फॉर द वर्किंग. सो सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो द स्पेसिफिक पॉलिसीज आर बीन मेड. अभी ये पॉलिसी को कौन डिस्कस करेगा, वही दैट काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, द मिनिस्टर हु इज़ ऑफ द रिस्पेक्टिव डिपार्टमेंट, वो अपनी पॉलिसी को जो उसने प्लान बनाया है वो दोनों हाउस में डिस्कस होंगे एंड देन उसी तरीके से अगर वो अप्रूव हो जाते हैं और उसी तरीके से फिर वो लोग उस पर काम करना, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द पॉलिसी करना शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड पार्लियामेंट जब अप्रूव दे देता है तो अप्रूव द लॉ कि हाँ ये ऐसे ही करना है, देन द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर दे स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑन वर्किंग ऑन दैट पॉलिसी. हाउ डज पार्लियामेंट कीप अ चेक ओवर द एग्जीक्यूटिव. ये लोग जो काम करते हैं वैसे कैसे चेक करते हैं वो लोग. इन अ पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट द लेजिस्लेचर ट्राइज टू कीप कंट्रोल ओवर द एग्जीक्यूटिव, दैट इज अ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. आर दे वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. नाउ हाउ दे डू दैट. द कंट्रोल इज एक्सरसाइज इन द लॉ मेकिंग और पॉलिसी मेकिंग प्रोसेस, implementation of policy and even after that. A few ways of exercises control are: the first one, discussion and debates. Question R, 0R, no confidence motion. First we will see, that is discussions and debates. Debates and discussion among the members of the houses are an integral part of law making process. Discuss किया जाता है. This debates and discussion help the members to scrutinize the policy or proposal and laws and point out the shortcomings. जो भी गलतियाँ हैं उसको पूरा किया जाता है. These decisions are exercised for creation of healthy laws. Second one is question R. During parliamentary session, the proceeding of the house begins with questions asked by the member of the house. Question पूछा जाता है and then the parliamentary session starts. The concerned ministers are supposed to give satisfactory answer to these questions. Question R is one of the most effective way of keeping a check over the Council of Ministers. During question R, the members criticize the government and ask questions on various issues. Sometimes when a member is not satisfied with the answer of the minister, arguments take place. Occasionally, members walk out of the house or enter into the well of the house and give slogan to record their protest. ये जो है, this is well. Now 0R. During parliamentary sessions, the period around 12 noon is called 0R. 12 बजे is known as 0R. During this period, any question of public importance can be raised and discussed. No confidence motion. This is one of the most effective ways to keep a check on the Council of Ministers. The government stays in power till it enjoys the support of majority in Lok Sabha. If the members of parliament withdraw the support, अगर वो support ले लेते हैं, it may lead to loss of majority and the government cannot stay in power. The members of the house can remove a no confidence motion by simply expressing, we do not have confidence in the government. If the motion is passed with the majority support, then the Council of Ministers has to resign. There is an extensive bureaucracy that works under this, and this we are going to study bureaucracy in chapter number 6. So student, with all these things, that is discussion and debate, then we have question R, we have 0R, no confidence motion. With the help of this, we can check, the government can check that are the Council of Ministers are doing their work properly or not. If suppose कि अगर कोई Council of Ministers, if anybody asks any question regarding a particular department और वो department का minister अगर सही से जवाब नहीं दे रहा है, so the people, the other members, they can come and either they can leave, they can walk out, वो लोग चले जा सकते हैं या तो फिर well में आ सकते हैं. Well means जहाँ की जो middle का part, you have seen in this photo के बीच में आ जाना, so that they can come to the well of the house and give slogan to record their protest. Now अगर discussion और debate किया जाता है ताकि जो भी कमियां हैं, जो policies में बनी हुई कमियां हैं, उनको हम और बेहतर बना सकें, and we can have a healthy law. क्वेश्चन आर में कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर सकता है और जो वो पर्सन है वो उनको सेटिस्फैक्ट्री आंसर देना है. अगर आप उसके आंसर से सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो, देन यू कैन हैव अ स्लोगन अगेंस्ट देम और यू कैन डू आर्ग्यूमेंट विद दैट पर्सन और विद दैट मिनिस्टर. नाउ 0R मीन्स जब जैसे ही 12 नून बजते हैं, यू कैन रेज एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द पब्लिक इम्पोर्टेंस. And no confidence motion means you can directly say that we do not have confidence in the government, and that is why the motion, if it is passed with the majority, the Council of Minister को हम निकाल सकते हैं and the Council of Minister वो लोग resign देके वहाँ से निकल सकते हैं. So with this student, we have completed with the third chapter, that is the Union Executive. If student have any doubts, they can come to the school between 11 to 12, and you have to complete your books and you have to maintain your books. We may ask you any time to bring it Before that, we will give you notice in the group. Thank you, students.